You are the most beautiful man I have ever seen, Ralph de Brickasot. But of course you already know that. Curious how you view us mortals with contempt for admiring that beauty. And yet, you would use it without compunction to get whatever you wanted, wouldn't you?
I thought it was my soul you were after, Mary.
It is. Because at my age, officially, I'm supposed to be beyond the drives of my body. And one mustn't expect miracles. Even from you. How many women have loved you, Ralph, besides your mother?
Did she love me? I don't know. She ended up hating me.
Because you didn't need her.
Because I needed God more.
Interesting. And now you can't need any woman. Can you, Cardinal de Brickasot?